Hi, today we're going to see how to remove color cast of images in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to duplicate our layer so we can see the before and after. So right click, duplicate layer, and now go to image, adjustments, and then here select match color. And now I'm going to just click on neutralize to remove the green color cast even if it made it more magenta. So for example here I'm going to reduce the color intensity. So I'm going to leave it here. And for the luminance, the brightness, I'm going to increase it a little bit. And now let's check the preview. Click on this icon here. So here's the before, here's the after. And now press OK. And now you can still, for example, add left click here. I'm going to add the levels adjustment layer just to add some contrast and brightness to the image, to the layer. So now let's check the preview. So I think I'm going to leave it with this one here. Now I'm going to merge it down, merge the adjustment layer with the layer. Now let's see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So here I just use the match color filter and the levels adjustment layer. You can also, for example, add other adjustment layers, for example, for the shadows and highlights or brightness and contrast. So here it is. That's how you can remove color cast from images in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.